How to disconnect your Google account on blizzardbattle.net on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to blizzard.com. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click on my account, click on account settings, and you will find many options here. Click on connections. Now here you will find your Google account. All what you have to do is click on disconnect, and it's gonna be disconnected easily from here by clicking on it and click confirm. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch other videos about battle.net. If this video